Let's take a look now at some of the jobs in the field. Computer and information research scientist stands out because it's a high-paying job, over $100,000 a year. However, take a look. It's a master's degree level. This is indeed a fairly high level, and I do hope that you'll go on and get a master's degree, but that's probably not within the reach in the next year or two if you're here in community college. Now, many of these others do require bachelor's degrees. In fact, a bachelor's degree in the computing field is very highly valued. Actually, it turns out that you can make more based on experience than you can on your degree. That's just the way this field works. But let's take a look at some of those. Yeah, over $100,000 a year for software developers in computer network architecture. Computer network architects are, again, a fairly high-level job where you're designing networks for very large companies and that kind of thing. Software developers is a high-level end of software development. It's not the programming end. The programming end is down here at the $84,000 range. And you'll see here that network and computer systems administrators, this is the guy in the server room, right, do pretty well at $82,000 or so. Down here, though, you'll notice, by the way, that a good $53,000 for the computer support specialist is not unusual. This is the help desk guy. Yeah, I said it, the help desk guy. Kind of the lowly, janitorial of computer technology, right? I often have a running joke in my classes on the first day when I say, you know what, everybody starts as a help desk person. And then I go around the room and I ask each person what they would like to do with their education once they complete their education in computer technology. And quite often I hear things like, I want to be a network engineer or a network administrator. I want to be a server administrator. I want to be a security analyst and so on. And I quite often come back and say, oh, the help desk guy, huh? That's where you're going. And it's only half joking because this is where they start. Now, there's a reason for that. There really is a reason. And that is security. You see, in other fields, like, say, the business field or the medical field, you can get an internship or an externship and work in the field. But in computers, you're not going to hire an intern or an extern and bring him in and let him see your server room and see all of your company's secrets and passwords and all of that because of security. And so the way that we do this in this field is to hire people at the help desk. And that way we can get a feel for how what their level of technology and their level of thinking and their capability really is. And then over time, usually 6 months to a year, we begin to introduce them to company projects and to things in the server room and higher responsibilities. Again, this is a field where experience is everything, and they give you experience as you begin your career in this field. They give you lower level experience and then raise you up. The nice thing about it, I know that sounds horrible. Yeah, I don't want to be a help desk guy, right? But the nice thing is it tends to be faster than other jobs. So once you get that help desk job, you're on your way up already as you start. And so again, 6 months to a year is not uncommon to get away from that help desk and start doing the kinds of things that you want to do and the company ultimately wants you to do. So it is a wide open, rich field for employment. But getting in a degree won't just get you in. You also need experience, and you will probably start at the help desk level.